Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most wearing and most demanding women collection. Woman crocheting designs, beautiful designing ideas, beautiful designs, beautiful colors, beautiful color combination contrasts, see designs, see ideas, beautiful designing ideas with silver, beaded stones, beautiful styles, beautiful ideas you can easily make if you know this very beautiful crochet work. Those ladies who love such type of crochet earrings, those ladies who loves crochet patterns. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most beautiful crochet earring designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful earring designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com and Amazon. You can wear these very beautiful earrings when you go in the birthday party, in the wedding party, with matching dresses, matching dress colors, designs. Washable earring designs, beautiful earrings. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.